Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix error 46 in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. First, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. End all processes related to Valorant or Riot Vanguard. Once everything is closed, press Windows R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. In the list, find VGC. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, click Apply, then click Start. Next, open the command prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Then type net sh winsock reset and press Enter again. After this, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Once your system is back on, open this PC and go to Local Disk C, Riot Games, Riot Client. Locate the file named riotclientservices.exe, right-click it and select Troubleshoot Compatibility. Choose Troubleshoot Program, then check Growth. The program requires additional permissions. So, that's basically how you can fix error 46 in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.